Approach detected. Damage report compiled.
I'm here. Show me the worst of it.
Nose panel breached. Structural integrity at 61%.
Clamps holding, cable set. Need another minute on the gear. Wing bracket.
Crack runs deeper than we thought. Frost sealing over the edges.
Copy. I'll log the depth.
Panel bolts coming out now.
Watch the wiring, it's brittle.
Acknowledged. Initiating scan.
Go ahead.
Analyzing fracture matrix.
Readout?
Replacement panel size confirmed. We will need a new support rib.
On it.
Surface is flaking pretty bad here.
Scanning now. Structural integrity at 68%. Corrosion depth point 4 millimeters.
Got it. Marking that.
Intake looks clean, no ice buildup inside.
All
Initiating currency verification.
Payment received. Ownership chip ready for transfer.
Got it.
Transfer confirmed. Enjoy the craft.
She's mine.
Copy. Positioning now. Tension at 90%. Green on my end. Locked. All right, give the boss a nod.
Tow vehicle ready. Stand clear.
Engine swirl stable. Intake clear.
Running diagnostics.
Panel's coming up. Atlas, bring it in slow.
Copy. Hands on.
Locked. Looks good. Go ahead and tack it.
Well going in. Steady pass. Good. Sealant's laying down smooth.
Looking slick. I'll buff out the edges.
Surface integrity at 99.8%. Confirmed.
Copy that.
Extraordinary.
Canopy's clear. You're good to start the checks.
Tools ready. Select component as needed.
Thanks. Taking a switch.
Panel alignment's holding. We can set the seat rails once you're powered.
Copy that. Installing now.
Systems primed.
Power on. Fuel mix-up. Hydraulics engaged.
Gauges look stable.
4,250,000. That's the sale price.
3,700,000.
Offer reduced. Can't go that low. 4 even. Final.
Agreed.
Transfer commencing.
Pleasure.
Approach looks good. They're coming in slow. No signs of hostility.
Copy that. Control surface is green, thrust vectoring stable.
$300, $700, $1,000. Full count.
Let me see the chip.
Here it is.
Verifying.
Chip authentic. Transfer approved.
Transaction complete.
Pleasure doing.
Plating is seamless. No stress lines.
Cockpit seals are intact. Systems read clean.
Wing edge checks out.